If YouTube TV keeps pausing automatically while you're watching, it's usually caused by network issues, device settings, or app glitches. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi is the most common cause of YouTube TV pausing. Restart your router, move closer to your Wi-Fi source, or switch to a 5 GHz network for better stability. If possible, use an Ethernet connection for smart TVs or streaming devices to ensure smooth playback. Step 2. Restart the YouTube TV app. Close the app completely and reopen it. On mobile, swipe it away from recent apps. On smart TVs or Fire Stick, return to the home screen and relaunch the app. This clears temporary app glitches that cause unexpected pauses. Step 3. Stop background activity check if other apps or downloads are using your internet bandwidth. Pause or close them to stop interruptions during streaming. Step 4. Disable battery saver on mobile devices. Low power or battery saver modes can restrict performance and cause apps to pause automatically. Turn off these settings when watching YouTube TV on your phone or tablet. Step 5. Clear the app cache, depending on your device. On Android TV or Fire Stick, open Settings, go to Apps, select YouTube TV, and clear the cache. On Roku, use the Hidden Cache Reset sequence. Home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. On Apple TV or iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to reset all app data. Step 6. Update your app and device. Make sure your YouTube TV app is updated to the latest version. Also update your device software, as outdated systems often cause playback problems. Most pausing issues are resolved with these steps, giving you smooth, uninterrupted streaming again. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.